Hello viewers, welcome again to Coding Legend AK. Now before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more updated videos just like this. So let's start the lecture without wasting our time and stay tuned with us. So in this video we are gonna discuss about borders in CSS. So let's start the lecture. So in border in CSS, we will create an h1 and here I will write a name as Coding Legend AK, and here I will create a paragraph lorem save. And now I will go to the style sheet, and here inside the style sheet I will write h1 curly brace, and here I will write border color, and here I will select a color as red, and here I will write another property which is border style saved, and here I will select as dashed saved, or maybe groove inset, okay, outset solid, solid double, okay, and so I'm going to use is inset. Now there is another property which is style radius, is sorry, border radius, okay, and here I will write 34 pixels saved. Now the edges are being, I can write two properties in a single term, or we can say that it is a shortcut way to write border. I will write border 2 pixels solid red, or I will write inset, inset, okay. Now I will go to the and here I will write a border top, and here I will write solid black, okay, and here I will add a 2 pixels saved. Now I will write a border bottom, and here I will write 2 pixels inset green saved. Now I will create a border left 5 pixels dash yellow saved, and last is border right, border right, I will write 2 pixels solid silver saved. So everybody, that was border in CSS. So everybody, in this video we are gonna discuss about margins in CSS. So basically margin is the space around an element's border, okay. For demonstration I will create a div with a class box, and now I will create another div with the same class which is box. Now I will give an ID name as box1, and I will just copy this and paste it right here and save. And now I will give the box 2 name, and now I will give a text as box, and now I will write box again saved. Now I will just zoom it. Now you can see that there is a margin. There is a margin between the web page and the text. I can remove the margin by going the style sheet, and here I will write the body, and now I will just remove the closing body. Now I will write margin. Okay, margin 0 pixels and saved. Now you can see that the margin has gone. So I will go to the class name which was box, and now I will write as border. I will give an border as 3 pixels solid green and saved. Now I will just add a font size. I will first minimize this, and now I will write font size as 5 em and saved. Now I will change the height and width. I will write the height up to 250 pixels, and the width to 250 pixels and saved. And I will just minimize it more. Now I will write the ID name which was box1, and now I will give a background color as aquamarine and saved. Now I will just copy this, and now I will paste it again, and I will just simply change the box 1 to box 2. Now I will just give an other color, saved. Now I will go to the web browser and go to inspect, and here in the inspect I will hover the box 1, and now I will just scroll down, and here there is a model box. Now here in the middle of the box there is the main content, and over here there is the padding, and over there is the border, and this is the margin. This is the margin area. You can see that this is the margin area. Now I will go to the VS Code editor, and here I will give a margin. I will give margin as auto saved. Now you can see that the first box is in the middle of our web page. Now I can change the auto margin to right. I'm going to write margin right, and here I will write 23 pixels, save. Or I can change the right to left, saved, and go to inspect. And here I will hover the first box, and here I will just scroll down, and here you can see that the margin has changed. If I give the margin as simple margin 2 pixels, saved, and I will remove the margin left and save. And now I will just go back here. There is a little change. I can use a margin top property. I will write margin top, and I will write 34 pixels, save. Or I can change to top to bottom and saved. Okay, this is some properties. So everybody, that was margin in CSS. Hello viewers, welcome again. In this video I'm gonna discuss about float property. Float property is used to float the element around it. Now here on the right side I had the web browser opened, and now you can see that there are two images, and all the text is at the bottom of the images. Now if I want this text to simply on the right side of my image and this text to be the right side of my second image, I can do it by using the float property. So here I will go to the style sheet, and here there is the first image ID name which is image2, and here I will write the float property, and here I will write the property which is left, and here I will save it. Now I will use a margin, and here I will just simply remove the margin, and here I will write margin right. Here I will write 44 pixels and save. Now I will just simply do it. The second ID is hash settlement of my second image ID, and here I will use the float property. Here I will write the right property and save. Now I will use margin, and here I will write 34 pixels, saved. Or I will use a margin left property and saved. Now the next thing that I will do is create a border around my viewport. I will write a border. Here I will write 5 pixels inset green and save. Now here you can see that the second image is overflowing. So for correction I will use a property which is display property. Here I will use a property which is flow root, and I will save it. So that was code in CSS. So if you are enjoying the video, please subscribe it, because subscribing is free.